You think caviar is just luxury food, but in this factory, one giant fish can hide black gold worth thousands. Like and subscribe to Satis Factory. You don't get caviar from every fish. One soft pearl can make the whole batch lose its value. You are not allowed to open this bowl in the wet room. This is where the fish farm becomes a luxury lab. You don't wash caviar like normal food. One broken pearl can turn the whole thing into black soup. You think salt is simple, but a few grains can decide if this tin is cheap or worth thousands. You cannot pack caviar like jam. Press too hard, and those perfect pearls turn into black liquid. You see a tiny tin, but factories seal it like a vault, because one bent rim can ruin everything. You just watched a giant fish become one spoon of black gold, and one mistake could destroy the value.